Hi, my name's Dana and I'm with Baby Jogger. I'm here at Kidsland today to introduce you to the Tour 2 Double. It is available in early June and it's $399.99. So it is a ultra compact, lightweight double stroller that is 23 pounds. As you can see, it is a slim design, so great for European doorways or old construction doorways. It has an adjustable calf raise. You can lock out the wheels. It has a foot brake. It also has some peekaboo windows here. Then you have your seat, which is, the weight capacity goes up to 45 pounds. It is also compatible from birth with these carry cots. You can actually do twins, so you could do two of these. They're very easy to install and they are sold separately. And the recline is almost flat. And then it has a really great compact folds. So again, it's available in early June. Come by Kidsland to check it out, try it out, or you can visit kidslandusa.com.